Hello viewers, looking for the best 4K gaming laptops. Today, we take a look at some of the best 4K laptops for gaming and see which one is worth getting. For the most part, you yourself will have to decide which laptop is best for you, so please check them out one by one. Let's take a look. Check out our list of the 5 best 4K gaming laptops and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo UX 581 15.6. The ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo is an interesting spin on the classic laptop design, with 2 4K screens and a huge amount of firepower built into its body. However, it feels like there are a few too many compromises made to house the second screen, known as the ScreenPad Plus. It's expensive, bulky, and the ScreenPad Plus doesn't quite justify those compromises. A shame. The ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo UX 581 is a breath of fresh air, especially in a time when business laptop designs have become a bit safe and boring. ASUS' attempt to do something quite different with its professional laptop seems to have paid off, with ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo touting a second 4K display that's quite rare in laptops these days. Known as the ScreenPad Plus, that second display is the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo's biggest selling point. Essentially, it's a supercharged touch bar. But while Apple's slim screen, which also sits above the keyboard, is limited to shortcuts and icons, the much larger ScreenPad Plus is able to show whole applications. Of course, having a second 4K screen has big ramifications elsewhere for the laptop. The keyboard was shoved to the front of the laptop to accommodate the ScreenPad Plus. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. GIGABYTE AERO 15 OLED Thin Laptop. GIGABYTE has released a minor refresh to the AERO 15 OLED, its flagship laptop targeting gamers and creative professionals. Like last year's model, this AERO 15 has a 4K OLED display and a decent port selection with Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI 2.1. Also, like last year's model, it has a somewhat clunky aluminum design, a flashy RGB keyboard, a fingerprint sensor in the trackpad, and a webcam inconveniently located underneath the screen. The big change is that the AERO 15 now includes Intel's latest 11th gen processors and NVIDIA's RTX 3070 graphics card. The performance I saw here wasn't a massive upgrade from the previous AERO 15, but it's still some of the best gaming and productivity performance that you'll find among laptops of this size. The 60 Hz screen means you won't be able to see the impressive frame rates the new hardware is capable of. So many gamers may get a better experience out of a device with a higher refresh rate screen. But if you've got your eye on an OLED screen, either because you're doing color work on the side, or you just want your games and movies to look great, this device should get the job done, albeit in a loud and hot manner. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Razer Blade Pro 17 Gaming Laptop 2020. Razer's latest 17.3-inch gaming laptop gets a swift name change alongside several internal updates. If you're still holding onto a GTX gaming laptop, then it's now looking like a good time to upgrade. Razer has always been quick to jump onto new CPU and GPU whenever they become available. Results are often excellent with appreciable gen-to-gen gains, while they can other times fall flat. The Ice Lake Blade Stealth, for example, proved to be worse than the cheaper Whiskey Lake U version it was supposed to replace. Thankfully, this latest 17.3-inch Blade model has no such problems. The 2021 Blade 17 succeeds the Blade Pro 17 by dropping the Pro and adding new Intel 11th Gen Tiger Lake H processors into the mix. The GPU and display also get upgrades from 100W TGP and 300HC to 130W TGP and 360HC, respectively. The chassis design and physical features are otherwise identical to the original 2019 model that launched with 9th Gen Coffee Lake H CPU and Turing GPU. Alternatives to the Blade 17 include other high-end ultra-thin gaming laptops like the MSI GS76, ASUS Zephyrus S17, Acer Predator Triton, or the GIGABYTE AERO or AERO series. Our exact configuration is currently shipping for $2,799 USD. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Razer Blade Stealth 13 Ultrabook Gaming Laptop. The biggest question about the Blade Stealth 13 isn't actually about the Blade Stealth 13. It's about the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14, the best ultra-portable gaming laptop ever made. For a while, that title belonged to the 2019 Blade Stealth 13. Prior to last year, it was highly unusual to see any GPU more powerful than an MX 150 in a thin and light machine. The reason rhymes with schooling. That Razer crammed an NVIDIA GTX 1650 into a chassis that was just 3.13 pounds and 12x 8.3x 0.6 inches was astonishing to see. There was nothing like it on the market. That's not true anymore, thanks to the Zephyrus, which not only houses a powerful GPU, up to an RTX 2060 Max-Q, and CPU, up to AMD 8-core Ryzen 9 4900HS. In a chassis that weighs just over 3.5 pounds, but it's also aggressively priced. The tricked-out model is just $1,449. After spending time with that device, it was hard for me to imagine recommending anything else for gaming on the go. Razer's work was cut out for it. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Alienware 15 4K UHD. The Alienware M15R3 was one of our favorite gaming laptops of 2020, standing out with unique styling and the muscle to back it up. The M15R4 starts at $2,149.99, $2,499 as tested, is a component-level revamp that uses the same chassis but adds NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 30 series Ampere GPUs, newly announced for laptops at CES 2021 earlier this month. Our test unit packs an RTX 3070, which delivers demonstrable frame rate gains over its previous generation counterparts, especially at higher resolutions, and makes 60 frames per second (FPS) ray tracing a possibility on laptops. The M15R4 is a promising first look at what should become commonplace in high-end machines by year's end, even if it's not as much of a leap over the GeForce RTX 20 series as it was on the desktop. Our particular M15 configuration adds some cost with 1 TB of solid-state storage and a 4K OLED display. Alienware's lower resolution, higher refresh rate screen options will be better picks for avid gamers. But the core takeaway? One of our favorite laptops is now even faster, thanks to NVIDIA's latest silicon. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.